Hi Summit Stars, it's Mrs. Prost, and I am going to teach your mini lesson on two-digit subtraction. So our learning goal today is I can solve two-digit subtraction problems using pictures without regrouping. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this top box up here where there is an example for us. And the problem is 45 minus 21. So when we're using the picture strategy, the first thing we need to do is draw the tens and ones of the top number, the bigger number. So 45, as you can see, has 4 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. And we're going to subtract 21. We're going to start on the ones side. So 21 has a 1 in the ones place. And as you can see, they've crossed out one of the 5 ones. 21 has a 2 in the tens place, and so they have crossed out 2 of the tens. On the bottom, you can see what they were left with. They were left with 2 tens and 4 ones. And so 45 minus 21 is equal to 24. Let's take a look at the first problem on the left that has been done for us. 65 minus 22. So the first thing to do is draw the tens and the ones of 65, the bigger number. So they've drawn 6 tens for us and 5 ones. So we're subtracting 22. And we'll start with the ones, and they have already crossed out 2 of the ones for us, and they've crossed out 2 tens. What they are left with is 3 ones and 4 tens. So 65 minus 22 equals 43. Let's take a look at the problem on the right. 47 minus 30. So they have drawn 47 in tens and ones. They've drawn 4 tens and 7 ones. So our job is to subtract 30. We'll look on the ones place, and 30 has a 0 in the ones place. So that means there is nothing for us to cross out for the ones. In the tens place, there are 3 tens. So we need to cross out 3 of the tens the best we can. It doesn't have to look perfect. And now you can see that we're left with 7 ones and 1 10. So 47 minus 30 is 17. Let's scroll down and do 2 more problems together. Let's look at the problem on the left, 83 minus 42. So as you can see, they have drawn 8 tens and 3 ones to represent 83. So our job is to subtract 42. In 42 in the ones place, there is a 2. So we will cross out 2 of those ones the best we can. And in the tens place, 42 has 4 tens. So we'll cross out 4 tens the best we can. And as you can see, we're left with a 1 in the ones place and 4 in the tens place. So 83 minus 42 equals 41. So we have one more problem left, 96 minus 23. So as you can see, they've drawn the 9 tens for us and the 6 ones. And our job is to subtract 23. 23 has a 3 in the ones place, so we'll cross out 3 of the ones the best we can, and we'll cross out 2 tens because 23 has 2 tens. So as you can see in the ones place, I'm left with 3 ones. And in the tens place, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So 96 minus 23 equals 73. So you'll have a chance today in your exit ticket to complete problems like this on your own. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And the code word for today is dragon. So if you would like your teacher to know that you watched this mini lesson and you paid attention, you can send a Canvas message to Mrs. Schaefer, Mrs. Klein, or me, Mrs. Prost, whoever your homeroom teacher is, and let them know that the code word for today is dragon. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Goodbye, Summit Stars.